In this video, we talk about the Vivo S18 Pro versus Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $500, and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus launched on May 2023 with the price tag of $600. The weight: the Vivo S18 Pro have 188 gram weight and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 194 gram. The build: the Vivo S18 Pro front and back glass and plastic frame, and the same Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus front and back glass and the plastic frame. The both sets come with dual SIM supported. The display of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have AMOLED 1 billion color display and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have OLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same. The resolution is much same. The Vivo S18 have 1260 by 2800 pixels and the Oppo have 1240 by 2772 pixels. The PPI density of S18 Pro have 453 and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 451. The refresh rate: the Vivo S18 Pro 120Hz and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio is same, and the both device come with Gorilla Glass protection, and the Vivo S18 Pro have 2800 nits peak screen brightness and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 1400 nits peak brightness. Let's talk to the camera of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel and the second 50 megapixel ultra wide and the third 12 megapixel telephoto. It's also record 4K 60fps video, and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have triple camera setup, main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and the 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's also record 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera: Vivo S18 Pro have 50 megapixel dual LED flash 4K 30fps selfie camera, and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 32 megapixel panorama HDR 1080 pixel by 30 fps selfie camera. The platform of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X3 and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus octa-core processor Cortex X2. The Vivo S18 Pro come with MediaTek 9200 plus 4nm chipset, and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 plus 4nm processor. The GPU: the Vivo S18 Pro have Motorola G715 and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have Adreno 730. The both models come with Android 14 and 13. The memory: Vivo S18 Pro have 16GB RAM and the Oppo 10 Pro Plus have 16GB RAM. The both set have 512GB storage and no SD card supported. The battery: the Vivo S18 Pro have 5000 mAh battery and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 4700 mAh battery. The Vivo S18 Pro have 80 watt fast wireless fast charging and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus have 100 watt fast charging. The both set don't have any wireless charging, and it's also come with 5G network. The result: the Vivo S18 Pro got 25 points and the Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus got 22 points.